Mathaini ma thaa inyanya cia mĩaraho muthenya wa rucio Mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta agakorwo na kibarua kieru kia oro mwaka. Uari kuringana na gicunji kia 132 gia gatiba ya bururi. Kuria agiriirwo kurekereria ndumiriri yake kuri bururi rita rimwe oro mwaka hindi ya giikaro kia mbunge cieri. Bara ya kuhurana na ciiko cia ngukumio guku bururi-ini agitanywo ni aingi kuoya giti kia mbere hari ndumiriri ino ya President Kenyatta. Makiria kurumirira kihiri kia mashira makonainie na ungumania thirikari ni gukorwo meyumiritie na njira nene ica-ini ikuhi.
And right now you have seen it looks like the leadership of the legislature, members of parliament, are reading from different scripts. So the president must come and assure the country that the war on corruption is a war that he wants to make it part of his legacy, that it's not targeting any individual, that is not targeting any community, that is not targeting, is not a political tool.
As a house, it is our responsibility as this arm of government to support every initiative that will see either a complete elimination of corruption or bring it down completely.
No na kuri uguo ituge inya cia uthii wa na mbere na itanyitwo nacio gwikirirwo ndumiriri-ini ino. President agitanywo kuruta mwerekera makiria wigi uria thirikari itanyite gukinyaniria maundu maya. Makiria uriri thirikari yake itigetie miaka 3 kurikia itena ria wathani.
All the necessary laws for the big four have been passed by the legislature. So the president must come and now tell us how he wants now to fast track.
Na kurumirira ngucanio na njitukano iria ciumiritie kiama-ini kia Jubilee kumana na wiguano gatagati wake na mutongoria wa ODM Raila Odinga. President niatanyitwo gutariria bururi ciigie wiguano uyu makiria kuona gutiga korwo na mucemanio wa ajumbe ta uria akoragwo ari mutugo mbere ya ndumiriri yake muthenya wa rucio.
And he must come out very, very clearly that this unity deal, this reconciliation, this bringing people together, there is nothing fishy in it.
Degia wa atongoria muingi wa bururi kuma icigo itiganĩte na guo na matanya ngũrani megie ndumiriri ino ya mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta.
Need corruption to be totally addressed na actually penalties cia andu manyitwo me corrupt cikorwo very high niguo tuhote gucenjia uria Kenya ihana.
Tukida president intervene no horo wa Beja Enterprise Fund nigetha at least mundu wothe ungihoda gukorwo akiapply mbeca icio cigerie gupunguzirwo maundu macio marauga na interest at least ithie thi.
Guku mawoni ngũrani megie ndumiriri ya President Kenyatta kuri bururi muthenya wa rucio muthiĩte na mbere kurekererio. Wa kwiyumiria ni ati murugamo wa thirikari hari kuhurana na ciiko cia ngukumio guku bururi-ini ni undu umwe Akenya mathiĩte na mbere gukorwo metereire na njira nene. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Jitagwo Mwaura, Wagunya.